Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create Snapchat account using mobile number. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to do it. So first of all, you will need to download and install the Snapchat app to your device, and after that open the Snapchat. And to create a new account, tap on sign up. Tap on continue and give permission here. Enter here your first and last name. And tap on sign up and accept. And now select here your birth date. So I'm going to select here a random birth date and tap on continue. After that, here you will get your account username, and to change this username you can tap on change my username. So after that, tapping on continue, and now give a strong password here and tap on continue. And to create a new account, you can enter here your email address, but right now we are going to see how to create a new account using mobile number. So tap on sign up with phone instead and select here your country from this list. Also you can use the search bar to find your country, and then enter here a valid phone number and tap on continue. And after that, Snapchat will send you a verification code to your phone number. So all you have to do is just enter the verification code and then tap on continue. Now you can add friends from this list. I'm going to skipping this part. And tap on turn on, give permissions, and here you can see I've successfully created a Snapchat account using mobile number. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.